Hello, we have got more Vinted parcels to unbox. I say we, there is a second chair and it's not for my other arse cheek. It's because we've got a special guest. Woo! Who else?
Hello everyone.
But Kai the Fiddler Kicks. Guess what I paid and guess what I can sell it for. Now how many have we got here? 25, 30?
I'm going to take at least 10% commission on profits because I think you'll find I made the monitor. So does that mean I get some of the profit?
No, because I pay for the group and that gives you money. This is the last video until Christmas, so Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. Number two, if you're watching this right now, there's a 66% chance you are not subscribed. So if you do enjoy the videos or you do enjoy this video, feel free to hit a sub. We were trying to hit 10k before the end of the year. Obviously, it's not going to happen. That goal continues into next year. The next video after this will be episode 2 of the 30-day vintage challenge. If you haven't seen the first episode, I uploaded it the other day, but YouTube basically nerfed me and you cannot see the video unless you search for it on my channel. So feel free to go watch that because the comments on that are really, really good. And I'm sure you'll enjoy it if you're going to enjoy this one. And of course, as usual, everything I bought in this video was using the Vinted monitor. If you do want some walkthrough videos on how it works, message your Instagram on the screen somewhere here. Or if you want to just try it out, it's only £5 for your first month. You're literally guaranteed to make that back off your first flip. As long as you buy the right items. There is a pinned comment in the comment section with a link to it with my discount code SAM. And I think that's everything. So back to the video. Okay, first up, we've got New Balances. Take a gander.
2002s.
Take a gander. Guess what I paid? Guess what I paid?
You don't want to smell there before you made that mistake.
Are they bad? I'm not going to smell. Oh, they can get washed. Okay, good condition though.
I'm going to say 28 quid.
I think I paid 24.
That's not a bad guess.
It's not bad. It was either 20 or 24. Size? 6.5. So it's alright size.
It's going to pop up on the screen what you actually paid. So
everything will be on the screen. What do you think we could get for these?
45?
I think give or take 40 to 50 pounds. So we have now got.
Oof, not a fan here.
What, the shoe?
Yeah.
Triple white, Gazelle. These were size 8.
Size 8, so I probably wouldn't pay much on them. They look a bit cooked. I'm going to say 20 quid.
I paid £6 all in.
That's very good.
And
does that mean it was listed for 4 quid?
£3, I think, yeah. Roughly, by the way, if I get it wrong, don't get annoyed. How many, I mean, you've seen how much I buy on the monitor.
Yeah.
I think I buy around like 300 to 400 pairs a week at the moment. It's nuts. But yeah, how much do you think we could get for something like this?
I'm not going to say as much as the other ones. 25 quid?
I think we'll get about 28 to 33 on these.
Ooh, now we're cooking.
Now we are.
Give me a pair of these.
Get the other one out.
See, they look decent. Need a little bit of a clean. Oh, no, not too bad. What size is that?
UK 10.
UK 10, that's
There's
money
a little bit
size.
of damage though.
Oh.
Yeah, bubbles are a bit. But wait till I tell you what I paid, because they will still sell.
I'm thinking these will go for about 60 quid. So I'm going to say you paid 28.
£8 all in.
That's very good.
And I'll probably sell them for about 25. I hope this is on camera. I feel like I'm doing it all off camera. Little party wrapping. Oh no. They're covered in sand.
Okay, that's not good. See, this is why I don't do this stuff.
Okay, well one is. Well, the other one's fine. We'll have to hoover in here after. Okay.
Oh, you've just thrown it on the carpet.
I got a hoover. Size 7.5. 2024. No damage.
How's the bubbles?
Firm. 7.5.
That's how we like them. What?
£28.
I
think I paid £14 all in.
Very nice. All right, I'm going to start doing mad low.
What do you think?
Yeah, I reckon that's a £43.
Nah, I think it would be closer to 60. Quite used, but...
Runners?
Yeah.
Ah, you paid dirt on them, I bet. Oh, that means people have actually ran, so it's going to stink.
Give it a smell.
No.
For the culture.
UK 9.
Doesn't smell awful. It just smells used.
I'm sorry. You better not have paid more than 12 quid for these.
Yeah, I think it was about £8.
Yeah.
To be honest, these sell really well.
No, that smells.
Well, they'll get washed. It doesn't really matter. So they'll sell. I think I paid about £8. Guess what? I'd sell them for about.
I don't know the market on that.
25. They sell pretty well. Used Pegasus. Okay,
I'll stick to my botting at the desk.
I'm not opening this one. It is Salomons, so they can see. Black Salomons.
Why didn't you want to open it?
Because I can hear the sound in there. Oh, this is a decent one. This is a decent
Yeah.
one. This is a decent
Some
one.
TNs, big size.
Look at it. Pause.
Jeez.
Just check there's no holes on the inside. And bubbles are firm. UK 9.
Bubbles are alright, yeah.
VaporMax TN triple blacks. What did Sam pay?
30 quid.
£14. What will
You're
Sam
getting now. This
sell?
one's got to be like 60, 70 quid shoe.
I think I'll probably sell it for about 45, 50. Quick flip.
You got like, we're not even a quarter of the way.
Okay.
This has got to be pennies. Tenner.
Check the bubbles.
Yeah, you're good.
UK 5.
Pennies, tenner.
I think I paid £4 all
Yeah.
in.
Oh.
They need to be washed though.
Are these elites?
No, these are pros.
Oh.
Still sell very well. UK
15 quid. Oh,
10.
Lad, this actually smells like Sunday League.
Yeah.
Like,
You know your PE bag when you leave it in your
Yeah.
locker for like 2 weeks between
Yeah.
half term.
this is bad.
UK 10. Anything that smells just goes in the wash and it's
15,
fine.
20 quid.
A classic.
Oh, yes, and Air Forces. Now, I get these at some good prices.
These are a UK 7, but they're not bad condition, you know. The uppers are alright.
Some shoe trees will solve them creasing, eh?
Guess what I paid?
20. No, I'm going to start getting lower. £13.
£8 all in.
Yeah, that's
I
good.
should
What
get
size is that?
7. Not the best size,
That
but I
fit
should.
me? Oh, I don't want to put my phone in.
No. I think I should get 20, 25.
Oh, I know these ones. Wait, what? I thought they were grey. So
UK, no, they need to be cleaned. UK 7.5. They're not bad condition. They literally just need to be cleaned.
Wait,
yeah.
these ones, yeah, 90s. I always get mixed up between ones and 90s. This is really nice. I think this will go 40 quid, so I'm going to guess you paid like 20 quid.
I got these for a steal. OG box is very rare for Vinted.
20% up. Oh, these are the ones that I got for free. Do you know how? Remember, this is like 8 months ago. I bet you it's the same thing. So basically, Adidas, when you had loads of points, you could get 3 different shoes for points, and this was one of them. I had like 8 pairs because I had like 300,000 Adidas points. Oh, I need them parches, by the way. They sell so well for me. So I'm just looking at this.
Is it the OG box?
Oh,
It could be a great fodder box, but is it the OG box?
paper as well.
It is the OG box.
No, that's mad.
UK 10,
You're talking 50 plus quid on them.
Air Max 1 Safaris.
If you clean that up nice,
They're all leather. They'll clean easily. Guess what I paid? This is a crazy one, to be fair.
20 quid.
£8.
That is
£8 all
mentally
in.
good.
OG box as well.
OG box.
By the way, we haven't had a single fake or a single flaw yet.
JD.
Oh yeah, tape. It's a bit mushy though.
Take it.
It's not the OG box. I know what shoe it is.
I was gonna say that label.
No, Air Max 95 Ultra. Air Max 95 Laser Blue Jewel. Size
Bubbles
10.
intact.
Bubbles intact.
Oh no, this is a 60 quid one. This.
Oh look, and it's still got nips.
Nips. Is that what you call
Yeah,
it?
nips.
If
you can see that, the nips.
That's a 60 quid Air Max.
And the maddest thing, I've literally spent probably like £200 on all of this, if not less.
And what? An hour on the Vinted one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is it the OG
some
box?
Pegasus Trails.
Is it? No, it's
Oh.
not. Have a
I
look.
mean, it's a better shoe, I guess.
Yeah, it is.
These are
UK 8, but they're fresh. Nips again.
nips again.
They remind me of the Stussies.
What colourway is this?
I have no idea.
Box as well, triple whites.
I don't know what size they are.
Well, I know you can get 40 quid on these. 35 to 40 quid because it's one in the group. It's one in the group rinses Air Forces.
UK 11, 2021.
Buys them for 10 quid, sells them all for 35. Creasing not bad as well. You can use them little creep
Yeah,
clips
they're not
in there.
bad.
So you paid what, 15?
£8.
Yeah, decent.
I'll probably sell them for 30.
Paper.
Good rep box though.
Ooh, grey jewels.
No. These are, let's check the bobs.
Bobs are good.
Bobs are all good.
Any nips? No nips.
Size tag's good. Yeah, we got a stonker here. These are the Air Max 95 They're either called the graphite or the anthracite.
Oh, I don't want to smell that.
I don't want to smell them. Someone can correct me in the comments. This shoe goes for about $150 on eBay, roughly in this condition.
Because he could have just sent it like that. Oh. Goody. You paid 12 quid for these.
So that's 4.5. They are legit. Which is a good side. We're on a good run here. Let me check the other one.
Is that good?
I think I don't even need to clean the soles of them.
No.
I think I paid probably between 5 and 15
35 quid.
Yeah, 4.5. Bit of a techie size, but in this condition they're not bad. Suede's good. Yeah, about 35. No, I think it's a New Balance.
Oh.
I think I was right.
Yeah, he knows.
Okay, we've got
Which ones are these again? What are they called?
327s. I sell these in bulk a lot.
You paid 7 quid for these, didn't you?
These are a UK
You wouldn't have paid much for these.
6. I think I paid about a tenner. Yeah, they're good colorway though because they're just black and white. And that is the end of the Vinted unboxing. Of course, if you want to buy stuff like this on the regular, you can hit the link in the pinned comment.
Oh yeah.
To join the group. Use code SAM.
Yeah.
And you'll get your first month for $5.
Yeah.
You'll make more than $5 on anything I've just shown you. And this is just 1 day's worth of deliveries. I get stuff like this. It's actually, I would say, a medium delivery. I get a lot more some days. I get a lot less some days. So I say this is probably the medium delivery for me for a weekday.
No.
And I'm going to make a lot of profit.
Big
you can do
time.
it too. You seem to like the first unboxing I did. So I thought we'll film another one while Kai's at mine. And yeah, so code SAM if you want to get involved. And also if you want to be in the free networking group that we've set up. It is now on Discord in the Kai Kicks group. It is free to join, but it does not give you access to 98% of what a paid member would have. But you do get to network with anyone that's in the free group, essentially.
That's why I made it.
Gives you guys an opportunity. Yeah. But with that, we are going to end here. Don't forget to
like, comment, subscribe.
And that is
Turn
it for
that
today.
bell on as well.
Yeah.
That's the big one. Turn that notification bell on.
God bless.